Hi everyone, Rainy here. In today's video I want to show you something new I just bought. I went over to Harbor Freight, I believe it was like $8 or so, and I bought this 17-inch, this is auto body hand sander. Okay, some of you know it as a longboard sander, and I did some research and found out that this worked pretty well. So this is the tool right here. Now, I know this is an auto body one. I just couldn't find one for boats. There's a lot of them online, but I didn't want to wait, okay? So I wanted to show you basically the way it works is, I take this latch off, and the sandpaper comes off. So the reason I got this is, if you remember last week, what I did was I used the syringes I bought from Walmart and filled these up with epoxy resin. And actually what I did was I drilled a hole in all of my air pockets that I had. Let's see. Well, you can see where I drilled them. Here's a big pocket over here, and there was one here and here. These are small ones, but you can see there's some bigger bubbles like right over here. Okay, let's see if I can move this camera around, and I'm a one-man job here. And what I did was I drilled a hole, took this, filled it with resin, squished it in the hole. Actually I did two holes, so one hole I push it in and you can see it expand and come out the other. So I actually filled them all in with resin, and I thought that was slick as could be on the big bubbles. The little ones, it didn't do much. Okay, some of them it didn't even go underneath. So now what I have is these bubbles filled with resin. And that's where this comes in. I got this so I can actually sand down the bubbles, and I'm going to show you how slick that works. So in addition to the tool, I actually went out and bought a roll of 80 grit sandpaper and a roll of 120. Also got these at Home Depot. I think they were like, I don't know, $10, $12 each. And basically that's what it is. It's just a roll. Now I already cut one out, but I want to get a new piece. So this is the length that you would cut out. And let's see, I got some scissors here somewhere. So I'm going to get another piece just like this. The same length. Once you cut out the piece, it's pretty simple. This end goes in here, and you just push down on this, okay, and it tightens it right up, bends over all the way in. I probably should have given myself a little bit more room. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit more meat that way. Comes down here, bends in this one. It's always easier to do it not on camera. And that's how it goes on. Oops. Make it a little tighter here. Yeah. So let's show you how it works. Move this off. So there's some bubbles. I'm hoping you can see them with the camera. There's some bubbles right over here. Can you see these? They're actually pretty, and you can see the ones down there. Most of those bubbles I already did the other day, but I want to show you how fast it goes right through these. Go like this here. I'll let you go different angles. And you can see that it already sanded really good. See that, how it sanded that bubble right down to nothing? So it sands really fast. These here I did a couple days ago, and you can see how it sanded right through these really quickly. These bubbles were pretty tall. So, matter of fact, this one here is pretty big as well. Right here. Let's go ahead and show you. Now what I did was I circled them with a magic marker, because it's hard to tell if I sanded the whole thing down. So by doing it this way, I keep on sanding until the magic marker starts to go away. You know, right now you don't see the magic marker, you hardly see it, and that shows that this is completely straight. Now since this is long, it's going with the contour of the boat, so this way it'll be nice and smooth rather than if I just use my orbital sander like I usually use. So I wanted to show you how this thing works. Pretty slick, and what I need to do now is I need to finish off the rest of the boat doing that. Here, let me bring you folks up here for a second. There we go. So I need to finish off the rest of the boat doing that. I started working on the bow a couple days ago. It's going to be a job. Like they say, one of the biggest things you need to do with the boat is sand, sand, sand. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the longboard sander. I know they make even bigger ones, and eventually I will get a bigger one for future projects. But for right now, this one's working great. The 80 grit sandpaper seems to cut right through this like nothing. And I think it'll work slick as could be. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.